So these are the steps to make the package, and this is the command to install VS Code. But let's begin with doing everything in the command line itself. So what is the first step to create a package? So what we will do is, first we will come to the home folder. Then I will do mkdir. We will name the package as, we will have to create a workspace. So what is a workspace? The workspace is the main, you can call it the main directory or the main folder, which consists of all the ROS2 packages. Package related to control, package related to message types, package related to launch files, package related to camera, all those things are stored at one place, which we refer to as workspace. So we will create the workspace first. So we will use this command mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. Okay, directory is nothing but a folder in simple terms. Okay, so we will name our workspace as turtlesim_ws. WS stands for workspace. This is the general trend followed across the globe. If you make the workspace in this format, you can understand anyone else's code, someone else can understand your code. This is the general professional way or the general global way of making it. So what you do is, you name your robot. So for our case today, our robot's name is turtlesim. You name your robot, then _workspace. Okay. If I press enter, the directory has been created. Now let's go inside the created directory. How will we do that? We will do that by using cd. cd stands for change directory. I want to change my directory. Right now I am in the home directory. I want to change it to turtlesim workspace. If I press enter, now you can see I am inside the turtlesim workspace directory. Basically I am inside the workspace. Now if I do ls, ls stands for list. It lists all the things present inside the directory or folder. If I press enter, nothing came because nothing is present. It's an empty directory. Now here what we will do, we will create a source folder. mkdir src. This you have to do like this every time you create an src folder. If I press enter, it will create an src directory inside the turtlesim workspace directory. If I press enter, now if I do ls for list, now you can see an src directory is present.